Good morning. Good morning. Just getting everything up and running today. Did that just not trigger in? Oh no, that was an exit.
Order filled.
Yeah, I don't know why that didn't work last night.
Order filled.
Whatever. Yo, what up, Beretta? I'm just testing my system out. It's so weird. Oh man. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody.
Trade legacy on Tradeify and Ninja Trader.
Oh wow.
One-time fee.
Fucking volume is ripping over here. Yo, what up, Robert? Oh man. Just getting everything up and going. The systems. Something didn't trigger last night. What's weird is it didn't even trigger in. It just triggered the flat. So weird. Good morning, Joyce. What up? Price is God. Oh, man. Getting my day going. I haven't even looked at any individual stocks. I haven't done anything. I feel so far behind right now. Just looking. Ah, what's up, Reese? I'm thinking. Good morning, Pips. What's up, Tommy? Oh, man. I am just sitting here thinking, looking. What up, Jay? just getting all my stuff up and running. Testing some stuff out. I need I'm kind of thinking what I want to do here. Man, I wish I could just lay this out. Oh, how do I lay this out? I gotta test out some YM stuff. Let's see what happens. Holy shnikes. I gotta lay out what accounts I want to do what with. Because you obviously can't trade every account with the same strategy, because some strategies are longer term, and longer term I mean you might hold for an hour or two, and you don't want to get into a hedge position. So you got to be like, all right, this prop firm is for this prop firm is for this, and just keep it like. So I basically have two great strategies, but they kind of counteract each other for a slight moment. When the orb breaks, I take that quick trade on the orb break. But when it comes back through on ES, I take that trade. So you can get into a hedge position. So you can't have them both. You know, you might like it flashes down. They both flash down below the orb. And before NQ hits the sell, ES goes back through the orb. You create a hedge position. You can create a hedge position and lose your accounts. So it's only for like less than a minute, but I've and then say it goes back through the orb, but then comes back down, then NQ hits TP, and then you go back through and ride ES back up. It's just kind of one of those things. Don't want to get into a hedge, so good morning, good morning. All right, so let me think about this shit real fast. I think what I'm going to do here. Yo, what up, Alana? How was your weekend? Yeah, so that's kind of what I'm avoiding. What up, Laney? Monday is always choppy. My Mondays are always red. The last two Mondays I've had have been red, but that's user error. I blame that on user error, not anything else. I get here and I just want to let it rip. Just wanting to let it rip, and I'm like, no. Interesting. I just learned something real quick. So that is hooked up there. I don't have to touch that. Cool. One down, a few to go. Yeah, how did it work last night for you? Why would I have to run that? Because you can get into a hedged position. You can't be long ES, short NQ, even if it's 10 seconds. And that's about how long it flip flops sometimes. Now I'm going to set up my Apex. Boom. 42. I got to start doing this like earlier in the day. Like, I got to start doing this earlier on. Yeah. Would you have to run that with two different prop firms? All right. So this is all set up. Um Flowbots. Autobots. Assemble. But yeah, I don't know. How's it? There we go. Everybody have a good weekend? What you guys do? Yeah, how many people did you arrest, TJ? TJ was out freaking getting everybody. TJ told me he was out getting everybody this weekend. That's the word on the street. Oh, man. Why does that always fucking come over the screen? You just babysat? I am just thinking real fast. I'm thinking out loud. I feel like there was something I wanted. Oh, yeah, there was. Jeez. See, now you could do YM and NQ, and that doesn't matter. Just an FYI. That's not a big deal. You could do YM and NQ. That is not a. That's not going to matter. Just an FYI. Yo, it worked great. Yeah. Yo, if you see anything that's wrong, so there's one thing I need to edit on it. I am gonna make one mass edit soon. Good morning, Jim. I am gonna make like one big mass edit, but there's a couple of things I want to fix. I guess on the trade journal, it shows gross gains and not net. I gotta fix that. Um, Trying to think. There's a couple of things I'm gonna tweak. I think, and then I'll just roll out like. There you go, TJ. I hope so, Austin. What up, Double O? I hope so. That's what I'm going for. That's the word. That's what I'm just trying to do. Oh, GC was like 12. Let me see. Sim GC. The fuck? Ah, I'm just wondering if Apex is gonna push you live after the 6 payout. Yeah, probably. I'm just being honest with you. Do you have to reconnect all the accounts every day? I don't know what you mean by reconnect, but like you should restart your Ninja Trader every day, anyways. So I would reconnect every day. Yo, Alana, what'd you do this weekend? I'm waiting for a crazy ass story. Alana, hit me with the crazy story. You're just an island boy? Yo, I saw that guy got knocked out by the midget or little person or I don't know, whatever you want to call, but whatever the PC term is, bro, that guy fucking was rocking that dude. Dude, he was rocking him. I don't know if you guys saw the boxing matches. Well, I guess what are they, like celebrity boxing matches? Dude, they're literally just trying to get money from anything. Yo, I built Legos this weekend. I built a Charizard. I think it was a Charizard and the Pokemon that could be like 5 different Pokemon. I don't know which one that is. It's not floor shit or 3 floor shits, and it's not Big Dick B. It's one of the other ones. Yo, have you ever seen that reel where the girl's getting mad that the guy keeps calling the Pokemon the wrong thing? He's like, "Oh, that's Big Dick B." It's oh, that's floor shit. Yeah, that's 3 floor shits. It was Diglett. Yeah, that shit was so funny. Yo, I bailed on the flowers, the roses. I would just make sure that this says, if it says stop copying, it's enabled. I don't know. I mean, you might have to hit the button. When I load up Ninja, I hit just me personally. I hit sync now and refresh always. Apparently, I'm on our old version though. I haven't updated the version. You could see what version I'm running. I probably shouldn't be running this one, but I forgot to up. I yo, you know what's funny is I updated the website and I forgot to update my own version. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure. Whatever's on there should copy trade. Whatever's listed here should copy trade. I'm not exactly following what you're doing, but whatever's on here should, as long as it's enabled. Oh, bro, this is gross. I got fucking food here. Hold on one second. Yeah, I got food on my desk. Turn my air conditioner on. We ready to fucking roll. Got 10 minutes. We're going nowhere. All right. Bro, you're out in the freaking woods, man. I'd be enjoying that. You're not enjoying that? Good morning, Diego. I would be enjoying that. I just realized Claude messed up my freaking. Oh no. Did I fix this? I might have fixed this. I have a fucked eval. I'm gonna full port at open. Yo, you have Nvidia earnings this week, TJ. Just an FYI, on Wednesday. If you're looking to full port it, just wait till Wednesday. Yo, what up, Angia? I mean, that's not financial advice, but I was just letting you know. Yo, it's definitely not financial advice, but I'm letting you know. If you catch my drift. If you get what I'm putting down. Yo. How do they not give you AC in the truck, man? Yo, you need one of those ice buckets that have a fan on it and blows like the cool air from the ice. Plug a little ice maker into the freaking socket of the truck and make ice and just keep putting it in an ice bucket. Blow that air. Blow that cool air all over your face. Keep it nice and cool in there. What's up, Jose? Oh man. Alright. Got 8 minutes. I'm thinking, what are we gonna do here? Honestly, I think we just fucking dump out at open, but what up, Knob? Activate knob model. Yo, did you go to Nobu this weekend? They don't want to maintain the trucks. I feel like if you'd maintain the trucks, you'd get a better. I think it would be better on the workers, right? I feel like the workers would care more. Yo, were you like Night at the Roxbury walking around Nobu? You like, yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, Killian? What's up? What's up? I am not going to be anxious today. I'm just going to wait for the setup. I'm waiting. I found something this weekend. I feel like it's too good to be true. Um, I feel like it's too good to be true. So I'm kind of I'm gonna ride it out, but we're gonna see what happens. Jeez. Oh, yo, what up? Yo, it's on the higher time frames. This is what the P&L looks like. Well, but that could mean dog shit in the live market. So I kind of want to see what it does in the live market. Yo, DBT, how was your weekend, man? Did a bunch of. I didn't really. I'll be honest with you. I was out most of the weekend. I had I golfed. Brought my kids to the golf range on Saturday, and then I went out with my brother Saturday night. Um, my kid had baseball tryouts for a travel team yesterday, so we went and hit in the morning a little bit, and we went to the field a little bit, and then he went to his tryout. So I had that going on. I had to go get him cleats. Yeah, I had a bunch of shit going on this weekend. I didn't have that much time to do anything. That's Ninja. Yeah, on Ninja. Ninja. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I think it's set live. We shall see. You got 2 minutes to open. I think it's just gonna dump. Uh Claude gave its bias. Yo, there's gonna be Iran sanctions update today. Toughest sanctions in history. That's what Claude tells me. Yo, cattle? Are you still playing cattle? I think Scotsman is still milking bulls over there. Trump is bringing in 30,000 metric tons. Oh, jeez. Well, that's good, Jay. Now you just gotta let it play out. So choppy. So choppy. For some reason, every time I've done ATR, I can't get it to really work for stops, and don't ask why. I have no idea. All right, here we go. Oh, baby. Oh, this is looking hot. You got Asia low right here at freaking 121. We just took Asia lows. We just took out all overnight lows. I'm liking it. Oh, man. I don't think it's done going down, FYI. Asia low was taken in London. Wow. Well, I'm just literally looking at this. I have it right here. I'm not as I'm not looking at the whole thing. I'm just literally looking at the what do you call it? Well, we just took it all out. That's interesting. I don't think it's done. That's way wrong. What, that we didn't take out the lows overnight? I'm just looking to see where we're at. We just literally took out overnight lows. Did we not? I, we did on NQ. Where's the news guy at? Yo, the market on open was actually buy side.
Shares of US steel and aluminium firms rise after US hits Canadian goods with 50% tariffs.
Dude, who just got hit with 50% tariffs? I'm waiting for it to show up on the thing. Is it not fucking updating on the website? I don't think it's done going down. What's up, Jay Styles? Come on. You think it's going to push up right now? I'm just watching. I'm watching and waiting. The fuck is this? Yo, that's all new. I don't even have Trump talking today on the list. I don't know when he's going to talk. I don't even see it on the first.
According to NOC, Libya signs production sharing agreement with Chevron.
I don't know. I don't even see it on the list. I haven't even used it today, Smooth. Fuck, I gotta take this call. Hold on 1 second.
According to AP, Ford says Canada should be ready to cut electricity to the US.
Yo. Where the fuck? What did he just say? Something about electricity?
So AP cites interview with Ontario Premier Doug Ford.
This is going lower. There you go. There we go. There we go.
So Trump on Truth Social says Canada has been ripping off the US of America
No.
for years. Their ridiculously high tariffs on our farmers and farm products has made life impossible for Americans and has long created a $60 billion deficit between the two countries, which is not sustainable and not anymore. On January 1st, 2027, tariffs on all cars, trucks, and both large and small automotive parts and steel will be increased to 50%, saying build in the US and there are zero tariffs. Trump says Canada will be treated like a state no longer on trade in other ways. Also, they are among the.
Yeah, it's crazy. Yo, Canada getting.
So Trump says again that they're going to be launching 50% tariffs on all cars, trucks, both large and small, automotive parts, and steel.
I'll be honest with you, it's so easy. Just make the cars in the US. It's not difficult. It's not like labor is so much cheaper in Canada. Come back up.
Ford and GM shares fall to session lows.
Ooh. Better start moving it back to the US, boys. Probably gonna push it back up to here. Yo, if we get a close over like 111, I'm probably gonna get in. I'm probably gonna try shorting it though first.
Order filled.
Holy fuck! Did I just blow my speakers out? Why is that so much louder than everything else? Yo, I don't know why that just happened. You're telling me I got fucking headphones on.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yo, I gotta fucking adjust this. My fucking head. Where do you even change the sounds at? Yo, until I can figure this out. Bro, I don't even know where do you do this at? Settings. Bro, we're gonna have to I'm gonna have to change that for now. Dude. It got me out, like I just was like, oh, let me just get out of this shit. Um I forgot I'm using an older version by mistake, Jose. So it got me in and out. Um I have to update my version. I forgot to. If you look, I'm using an older version by mistake. Why? Is yours not? BK says that he was using it and it was fine. Is yours not working? Holy shit balls. Yo, Jose, if there's an issue and it won't start copying, all right, well, I don't know why. Did you hit the button to start copying at the top? Yo, BK has the most recent one and it's working for him. Did you restart your...
1%. Canada's S&P/TSX composite falls to session low, down 0.3%.
Damn, knob.
The Nasdaq 100 extends drop to a session low now, 1.4%.
Oh, I see. I'm put a big fucking red in right now.
seeing here, intraday market map, the strongest sector at the moment is consumer staples, with the weakest being industrials and information technology. So that's for the S&P 500.
I want an inversion right here at 23. I'm gonna add to this over here probably. Yo, tell me the bug. What's the bug? Multiple groups? I'll fix it. What is that? What it is? It's multiple groups. I'm fucking taking this thing probably. Come on, what am I gonna get? Am I gonna get the close over this or what? Oh man, I'm right there to take this. I'm gonna add to this if we go. If it doesn't go, I'm out. But I'm gonna add to this. Yo, Apex paid you? That's sweet. Alright, I'll fix the bug, Jose. I mean it's in beta test, but multiple groups. The world is a ghetto. Interesting.
So just inform me, do a potential update from the Yemen Houthis. So we are
The
expecting a
Houthis!
statement shortly. So the Yemen Houthis say they attacked a vessel off Saudi Arabia's Yanbu, with no Saudi confirmation as of yet.
Dude, that's awesome that they paid you. I got paid Apex, I think Thursday or Friday it came in. I'm watching this shit. Yo, the ES orb fucking trade paid off, but I had a fuck, man. Probably. I don't know anyone that's not gotten paid, Robert. It just takes a little bit of time, but everybody I know gets paid. It's usually not a you gonna get paid or not. It's just how long it takes. Tell you what, the orb hit for its 5 points today.
To Tasnim used the Yemeni attack on sensitive positions and Saudi mercenary arms depots.
Dude, what are they? They're all fighting over there again? Let's see what news we got at 10. Let's see. News we got. We don't have any news today until 11:30. You got basically 6-month bill and 3-month bill. Nothing crazy. At 12:50, US Treasury Secretary speaks on Iran tentatively. We don't that's not Lucid TPT pays you same day. Lucid pays you same day. Lucid pays you in 5 minutes, Robert. But also they don't have $19 accounts. So yo, doctor, yo, you took your 5 points, man. Yo, mine hit for I hit for a little bit more than 5 points. I hit for $300. Um I always joke around it's 5 because that's where the TP was supposed to be. But how the strategy played out, it waits until the candle closes. So it actually is more than it's basically when the 1 minute close happens. So it's not really 5 points, but say the 1 minute closes and you're in the negative, then it's if the 1 minute close happens and you're in the negative, then you only get 5 points. Are we not going to get my fucking order right there? Oh, O'Reilly's Auto Parts. I don't trust this until we actually get a close over like 62, to be honest with you. I need a close over 50 or 62 here. Otherwise, to me, it's just all fucking smoke and mirrors. But I will play it with a stop, with like a low stop. probably stop as long as it holds 29,000. But we got to see over 32 soon. What's the dude? You guys in the boo boo short? What's the strategy? You talking about the end of the day, Steven? Basically, they pull orders off the book and it just drops the stock, the NQ, for a quick second. But it's not like a. I don't know. I don't play it with any funded accounts. I usually play it with accounts that are red at the end of the day. We need to get over 32 here. Come on. Come on, please. My weekend was busy, running around doing kid shit all weekend. Oh, this thing's running out of fucking juice here. It actually looks amazing if we can get a close over 31. It probably explodes all the way up, but it just doesn't seem like it's getting there. It's just not getting to its target. Over 51, this is fucking amazing, but it's just not. What I liked about this was you kind of had a double bottom and then you break over this top and it would look really good to the upside. It's got to get over this 31 though. Come on, man. Push up into this zone. No. No juice. What'd you do all weekend, Steven? See, this is what I'm worried about. Just so we're all on the same page here. I mean, you are trading right into, look at this, a 50%. You're trading right into these FVGs on a higher time frame. So I am not a huge fan of that. Obviously not a huge fan of that. That's why I basically just scalping and whatnot. But I think if we can get over those levels, dude, work's not bad, man. Got to make the money. Got to make the money, man. Nah, I'm going to get fucking stopped here. It's just not going. Just not doing it. That's what I'm not nervous about, but that's what I don't like. I don't like that there's higher time frame.
A result of Trump's war.
I don't like that the higher time frame FVGs are basically, it can't get over it. So I would assume that's not a great sign. But I'd rather take a small loss and not, unless I just got stopped out at the fucking bottom. Either way, I want to see. Dude, did they just stop me out at the bottom? Oh my god, I can't believe that shit. Still the same thing. The overall trend, I mean, the overall trend's been down all since we opened. I'm just waiting for the setup at this point. Just watching and waiting. Boom, 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 boom. Did any of these happen? Oh, you know what I didn't get here yet? No reversal yet. Lots of wrecked accounts. Why are they getting wrecked? I got these apexes that are down, and then I'm up 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500. I'm only down 100, 100, 100. Up 500, 500, 500. Why are people getting wrecked? Just wait. They should have went for their 5 fucking points. That's what should have happened. Dude, I'm telling you, people don't want to just go slow. Everyone wants to like go hard and buy more. And listen, if you can't manage small money, you're not gonna be able to manage big money. Just go make small gains every day. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh, man. Yo, Trump is wild on his fucking Truth Social posts. We don't need Canada. They need us. They do 95% of their business with the US. With us, the exact opposite. Jeez. You just got to get your 5 points, Dr. Racing. That's it. Could be done for the day with your 5. You got 2 things here. Either we're going to form a nice little bear flag here and just completely dump out, which seems like the more likely scenario here. Or we're going to have to get over 29,060, and then we're going to have a full on fucking reversal to the top.
Ford shares down 2.4%. General Motors down 0.8%.
Jeez. Being a dumbass, I've been a dumbass a lot. If I short this, I'm going to end up stopping out over 29,000. Just an FYI. If we go back over 29,000, I might go long. Get a higher freaking low, and then we push out this way. Back up. Can we get back over 29,000? I'm going to take a short, I think. And it's super tight. I'm not if we go and hit my orders, I'm going long probably. Just an FYI. Just an FYI. I am probably long. We hit these orders, I'm long.
$50 million in US site LLC for Rare Earth Initiative.
Just fucking dump it. Dump it. Just dump it. New lows. Give me new lows! Give me the lows! Lows. Dump it. Oh, this looks so bad on the fucking 5 minute. Just unload it. Unload it. This looks like we might get a huge third leg down. Has to take this low out. No. Maybe. Maybe. At what? Oh my god. At what point? I'm watching this. This looks like it's going to put in a fucking massive red candle to the downside. That's what this looks like. It has to happen soon or I'm fucking out. I'm not really risking much money. Because sooner or later, we're not going to get the push and they're going to push it back up.
The US site deal to build supply chain for rare earth elements.
See how you're getting all these wicks? I'm not liking that. So now I'm probably just fucking out on it. When do I go up? When we get a close over 29,005 or 7? I'm watching. I'm watching. Let me look at that. I'm guessing we go lower. If we get another bounce up, I'm gonna short it and stop out over 29,000. All right.
Philadelphia Semiconductor Index falls 3.8% to a 3-week low.
This thing's just gonna fucking dump. I'm gonna add. I'm working on this thing. Oh God, I shouldn't be doing this. I'm gonna get fucked. I'm fucked. Absolutely fucking fucked. Well, the copy trader thing is updated. Dude, I'm not gonna update this stuff until lunchtime. Until I'm fucking. I can't do two things at once. Yo, just message me in Discord because I can't keep swapping back and forth. Just message me in Discord the changes that you want or any ideas you want. Just message and put it in Discord. This is one of those days if I just fucking just waited. Just waited. Why did this not copy trade over to anything? Bro, what the fuck was that? Dude, oh my god, why did that not work? Bro, that's crazy. Why did that not fucking work? Yo, gold orb just hit for 1,000. Why did that work though? Yo, can you not trade freaking... Can you not trade... What up, Calc? Can you not trade gold on Legends? Is that not allowed? Does anybody actually know? If you could trade gold on Legends, I'm going to try trading it right now. Chart Trader. Bro, why does it keep doing that? Let me get a Legends account up. Dude, how do I put a... Oh, you can't trade fucking gold minis in Legends. So I missed out on $1,000 in 2 accounts. That's so fucking stupid. It's so stupid. Fucking so stupid. Yeah. I probably should have checked, but I didn't even know you can't trade gold in there. That's my fault. That's so stupid. Tomorrow it'll work and I'll fucking lose 1,000, but you know, whatever. Stupid. Yeah, I didn't even look. I just assumed you could trade a mini in gold. We're just gonna sit here now. We'll just sit here. Ugh. I'm just waiting. I am just waiting, but I'll tell you what. I'm close to getting in long. That I'll tell you. I'm just watching right here. Oh, depending on where this closes, I'm getting in. Come on. Come on. No trades? I'm probably going to add to this shit, to be honest with you. I really want to see it close all the way up top somewhere, but I prematurely bought, but I feel like we're going to close over it anyways. Let's see what happens. Is this the close candle? No, I got one more minute. As long as we close above 29,004, I'm looking pretty good. In the next minute. Oh. You got 30 fucking seconds. Do not invalidate. Do not invalidate. I'll be freaking annoyed if this invalidates. Come on, please don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't you fucking dare do it. I got 10 seconds. Oh my god. Look at this. It's going to invalidate it. Holy fuck. Oh, no. It's good. I'm going to add one more somewhere. I just don't fucking know where. Probably close to 980 if it gets there. What is going on here? It's typical Monday. Got a case of the Mondays. Come on. What's up, Donna? We're about to see what happens. I just added right there. This feels like something I'm going to be in for a while. Come on. Oh. I need Trump to tweet something out right now. That's what I need. Oh, motherfucker. Dude, did I just break this thing? Fuck me, man. Oh, so I flipped that one contract? Cool. Who's in here? What's up, Robert? Yo, if we can get over 51, I'd be feeling real good. Oh, shit. I didn't even know. Freaking. This ends tonight. Someone's gonna fucking ask. Fucking. Someone's gonna ask me freaking later on. TPT ends tonight, by the way. Boom, boom. Come on, little buddy. I'd probably get out of like this one right below this imbalance right here, to be honest with you. Come on! Oh, come on, man. We're right fucking there. I kind of want to sell out of one. just so I can rebuy. You know what I mean?
Russia's Perm oil refinery halts processing after attack.
Because I feel like we're going to dip back down, and then I can just freaking start flipping this one contract over and over and over again. Give me a... Get over 50. Get over 50! Yo, I just had to wait for my fucking setup. Yo, every Monday I feel like I say that shit. I'm going to rebuy on a dip. I'm rebuying on a dip, by the way. Only because I didn't like being down $400 fucking in all my accounts. I'm out. How did I know it was going to bounce there? I mean, you never fucking know. I mean, if I knew, I would be in with like grandma's money. I think it's going to come back down a little bit, and I'm going to rebuy. I think you're going to be able to get 40s maybe. If I wasn't down $400 fucking I would still be in this, which is the craziest part. But I want to see us reject right here. I want to see us come down and then go. That's the move for me. Come down. I really wanted to sell out right here.
Yo, what up?
Not just did stupid shit early on that instead of just waiting and I would be up money, but you know, instead I'm down 100. Yeah. I'm only down 100 in those accounts. I got others I'm up 500 in, but
You gonna take this 3-minute?
yeah. It's going to have to retest at 51.
Yeah. Oh, we have a 5-minute too.
Yeah.
That's nice.
I mean, my sell kind of sucked because I was originally selling at 78. So I'm going to add on this pullback. I don't want it to go over 81. I prefer it not to. If it does, I'll just add one and I'll just fucking wait for a pullback. I'm just going to wait for a fucking pullback. The whole thing got messed up because the whole thing got messed up because I played stupid shit in here instead of just waiting. That's honestly what happened. If I just fucking waited, I would have been fine.
Happens to the best of us, man.
That's it. I just had to wait. Now I would be in with 3 micros. I probably would have been out at least one now, but I would be in with 2, riding it from the fucking bottom, feeling great about myself. Instead, I had to re-add high. It's just so bad.
Yo, what up, chat?
What's up, Miss Goody? I did get my 5 points though.
Steven said the news and myself are low.
Yeah, there you are. You're back.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, copier's working. Obviously, there's tweaks still to be had. Obviously. Let's be real. This is probably going to take me, I don't know, a month to fucking work out all the tweaks and everything, at least.
Oh, yeah. Sweet crack of an energy drink in the morning. What up, BK? Man, I took that short out the gate last night.
Oh, I didn't trade at all.
So good, and then I took it right back up.
You loving the copier, BK? Yeah, well, that's good. I am, there's a couple things I need to edit, and listen, for probably 95% of it works great. But
Robert said I'm about to blow his speakers out.
I know I just lowered it a little bit. I don't know what the deal is. Oh, you know what? Let me see something real fast. Well, now I'm probably at the same level you are, so maybe it just lowers the. Hold on one second. I don't know who this is. Hello? I don't know who is this.
Who this?
Oh, hey, what's going on? Yep. Is there a way you can call me back at 12 o'clock? I'm on a work call. Thanks. I'm getting a pool quote.
You getting a pool boy?
I'm getting a pool boy, but they don't know that my brother got a quote from them also. So I'm gonna get a quote from them as well. And then then I'm gonna negotiate, with him, and then he's gonna come down to quote unquote his lowest, and then I'm gonna be like, well, how about this? You either get me and my brother, or you get no pools.
There you go. I'm not burping yet, Miss Goody. I haven't burped yet.
I can't call it.
Smart deal, though.
What, to do it that way?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's always smart to do it that way.
Because then he's going to be like, well, now I get 2 pools. Well, what can I come down to? Yeah. Fuck, hold on a second. The alarm keeps beeping. I kind of want to buy just right here.
I don't even hear it this time. They are going to 3-way the pool guy. Pool boy.
Yo, you there?
Yo.
I thought about it. I think Marie Probably finally sent that text message out. And that's why she's not on today.
Probably.
She's like, nah, those guys are fucking liars. She's like, 11 a.m. last night. She's 11 p.m. She's probably like, yo, you up? What are you doing? And he's like, I'm just getting in my car. I'm right outside your house. Why? What are you doing?
Nasdaq 100 pairs declined to 1%.
Over there.
Have been down as much as 1.5%.
She's like, holy shit, those guys are right.
Duh.
Yeah.
Damn, right off the 50% of the orb right there.
Yeah, I know, but
what a hell of a bounce.
I would think at the minimum we're going to see 150s, but
let's see here. We're making an hourly fair value gap.
This thing,
we haven't made it yet.
If this thing comes,
that's a new candle.
This thing comes back to 52 is when that thing piles in. That's the trigger, by the way. Yo, there you go, Ray. Yo, TPT daily payout. Yo, 50% off ends today. Just letting you know.
Fuck the TPT.
Why am I muted? I'm not muted.
You're muted.
I'm not muted.
That's what I'm saying. I'm saying you're not muted. You're muted.
Yeah.
You're muted. I'm not muted.
Yeah.
I hear myself in the background now.
Yeah, I just checked. That's why I have it open. Oh yeah, this shit's gonna get real fucking interesting quick.
I'll be on like Donkey Kong right here. Come on, keep coming down.
I might take this off and re-enter. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. I just think I can squeeze out fucking it lower. I'm being so freaking like that. I don't know why.
It's better to be patient.
Nah, fuck it. I'm not being patient today. Just gonna go after it, whatever. Fucking. Oh my god, why? 1, 2. Alright, so I gotta add this one here. Look at this shit. Now I gotta push this one up, this one down. That's where I'm gonna add.
I must have been fucking around with something. I lost my VWAP.
I kind of want to just shut it off and just see if we hit fucking all the way up. I kind of want to go down to 51, but it's probably not going to happen. Dude, I took my kid to his first baseball tryout, like for a travel team, and
Yeah.
I use travel lightly because they just kind of go around like Long Island.
Yeah.
It was 8U, and I was like, my son, he's big, but like he hasn't grown into his body, so he's like still like a lanky kid, and so all year he only had like 2 or 3 hits the whole season, which isn't great. But he was also a 7-year-old playing with 9-year-olds. And then I took him, we've been practicing, but that's different than like, there. We get there and they field and he's whatever. All of a sudden it gets to the hitting and I'm like, I can't even watch this shit. Like this kid's gonna whiff. We went to the field earlier and he was like, okay. But I was like, what happens if the coach pitches to him and he literally just whiffs at like the first 10? So I'm like, oh, this is awful. He takes a swing, fucking whiffs at the first one, whiffs at the second one, and I'm like, oh, here it is. Bro, then the third one, and he hits a fucking line drive pulled foul into the outfield, and then hits another line drive in the outfield. I was like, oh my God, thank God. Thank God. I was like,
Good morning, Marie.
Good morning.
what's going on?
Not much.
What's up, dog?
Trading.
We figured you tested out the text method, and that's why you're late today.
No, no, I did not.
Not yet.
Do it once. Do it for us. You should be like, hey, watch.
No. Okay, maybe.
Watch
Maybe
for
I'll
us.
do it.
Yo, you don't even have to. Yo, you just be like, yo, are you up? What are you up to? At like 11 o'clock. So wrong to him, but whatever.
And then report back.
I'm
And then
report back.
watch the magic happen.
That would be bad.
Yeah, Austin. It was
Because
rough.
then it opens a door that should not be opened.
No, you could be like, oh, I was just wondering what you were doing. I can't sleep. I was just wondering what was up. Yeah, but then he started hitting line drives, and then I felt good about myself.
There you go.
Yeah, but I don't know. I don't get a call back. I don't know if he should make the team. He was like the third best hitter there, but I don't know. Like some of that shit is like a big politic thing, and it was like another town. We'll see.
In the kids' sports, they already got politics going on.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, well, you know what it is? Like the coach is friends with, he could be friends with like 5 parents. So no matter what, those kids are on the team. But then the travel teams are wondering like, the one we went to isn't that good. And then they wonder why they're not that good. It's like, well, because you're friends with these parents and you're playing their kids and their kids aren't that great. But my kid was the second biggest kid there that was trying out. So like right there, you'd probably take him anyways.
How's the copy trader doing?
It's worked fine all day.
All right. Did you take the opening trade?
Wait, no, I didn't try it on that yet. You talking
That's
about?
gonna be a test right there.
I mean, it's probably gonna fuck up like every other copy trader does. I gotta rework that because now, like, it was working when we were at like 18,000, 20,000, but at 30,000, I think I got to expand the amount of points because of the flickers and whatnot. Ugh. This thing's setting up to not be great. But yeah, I don't know. I did take my 5-point trade. That hit for like almost $500 today.
Nice.
There you go.
Yo, I had a gold orb. Yo, check this shit out. So I was in a gold orb play. I made $1,000 in a sim account. It was supposed to get copied to Legends. You can't trade minis and legends on gold, so it never copied.
What the
Oh,
fuck?
shit.
Seriously?
Yeah, so I didn't make 1,000 in 2 accounts. It was
You
supposed to
can't
be in
trade minis?
2. It was supposed to be in 2 legends accounts. So I missed out on $2,000 there.
Oh shoot.
Yeah, so I'm gonna move that gold orb to TPT, I guess. The YM hasn't clicked either. Man. Sucks. If we can get over 120, man, this is gonna look fucking great. Move my stops up, actually. What'd you do this weekend, Marie?
Oh, back tested. Messed around with Suno.
Suno.
Oh my god, yeah.
Did you get some more credits for Suno?
I did some like you can listen to stuff to get more credits, and then I just kind of messed around with old.
What if you just leave it
One's already
running?
good.
Like can you just leave it running so you get credits and just like go out for a
No.
walk?
No.
No. I would say that'd be a great. You could probably make a little. What, you got to click a button or something like that, so they know you're listening.
Yes.
You could probably make a little Claude bot that clicks that button every time it pops up.
Which way is it gonna go? I took a short here and it took me out of break even.
No. I don't like knowing that you're in short when I'm in long.
Well, I didn't stay in short.
Nothing good happens. If this comes down to 51, I think I get triggered in with a lot of contracts. They're supposed to come out with some big sanctions on Iran today.
Oh yeah?
I don't know whenever that's going to come about. Iran.
I guess Iran hackers have been at it with the UK.
Oh, really?
Yep, hacking power plants and shit.
That's interesting. mean, but you got to assume like the UK is doing it right back to them. I would assume, right? I mean,
I have no idea.
Deploying the bond.
are we gonna finally go? I truly think we're gonna go all the way up to the top.
I was looking for that nice little swoop down first.
Might still get it. Might get it right here.
Oh, we've been bouncing off almost London low, huh?
What I do like is we're kind of holding up here, but stochastics are coming down. I need Trump to come out and say there's a deal made. I have a feeling I'm going to be in this shit for a while. You know what I just realized? I'm going to end up hitting the daily loss limit before it comes down at my stop. I shouldn't have even added there. What to do, what to do, what to do. Imagine we just go back and forth and for the rest of the day right in this zone.
I don't think that's going to happen. I have yet to click that Instagram freaking video you sent.
What? Marie, did you click that?
Yes, I did.
Oh my god, you can't tell Sean what it is.
SpaceX adopts NVIDIA's Vera CPU
He
to
does the
accelerate
same thing with a
agentic
sandwich.
AI at a massive scale.
And I was like,
Really?
I need to get off of this
production with
page.
world-class speed
like
for
a
agentic
PLC?
AI.
It
That's
was like an
exactly
Arby's.
why.
It was like an Arby's.
That's exactly why I'm not going to click it right there.
It was like an Arby's. And then he was literally mid. He's like, I think I need horseradish
And
sauce
NVIDIA
or
say
something.
that SpaceX AI to launch a StarMind AI satellite using NVIDIA's Vera Rubin NVL72 system.
Ooh. All right. I can click it without having to log in.
And NVIDIA Grok 3 LPX hits 3,400 output tokens a second.
Gotta watch it.
What the fuck?
Nah, go to his thing. He goes with other stuff. There's an Arby's sandwich.
It could have been a cheesesteak.
Who microwaves a watermelon?
Yo,
Microwaved it?
you're saying, yeah, he microwaves it at the end and then says that it might have been better with more holes in it.
Oh my god.
But this guy's face is out there doing that. Like, how do you get a job?
You don't. You don't.
Outlong NVIDIA? I'm not. They have earnings this week.
That's just wrong.
It is. Like no one would ever eat anything at that dude's house ever again.
No. So I am pretty sure I get triggered in at 52 is when I get like a lot. Oh man. Oh, I think NVIDIA, their numbers are going to be ridiculous.
I got some accounts to play on NVIDIA.
Their numbers are going to be ridiculous. It's just. I think everyone knows that their numbers are going to be crazy. So I don't really know how. I guess the guidance. I mean, if they show any cracks in AI, oh geez, that's not going to be good. Sir. Yeah, I'm not great. I don't play NVIDIA, to be honest with you. I don't know why. The only thing I would do on NVIDIA, which I've done, is I write puts on earnings. Which would be like, let me see. Damn, it freaking ran. It ran and they dumped it. Like, let me see. If I was to write NVIDIA earnings, like, I'd write like 195 puts for like $1.34 and just collect my money. But the problem is if NVIDIA has one bad thing about AI or something and it just dumps, it will never come back up this high. People will say the AI bubble is done.
Which isn't going to happen.
You never know until it happens. You never know. Bro, is Novo Nordisk halted? Oh no. That was weird. It was literally gray on my screen and at 0, like even on the day. I'm gonna start flipping this. This one I'm gonna start flipping around. The fact that we couldn't even hit
Maria.
143. Sorry. You're home in Argentina or home in where you live? Let me see if I can fucking flip some. Where are you home? Just Hoddle?
I think she said she was going back to Argentina.
Yeah, that's right. But I don't know if she's there yet. Why are you long in a downtrend? I want to see it hold basically 29,000. Ellie. Ah, that sucks. Well, then keep your job. You had a good job. I would at least keep that. While everything's going on.
Oh, sorry, Maria.
Oh, that sucks.
So are you moving back there, or are you just visiting?
I think she said she was going to move back.
She was supposed to move back, but she I don't know if she knows. What about it's freaking hard with kids though to move out.
Yeah.
At least in New York, like
Especially out of the fucking country.
yeah.
Because then you got, you have the dad.
Yeah. Usually you give up custody if you do something like that.
Yeah, you don't want to do that.
That's like my friend. He's stuck in Florida now. He moved from here to Florida. His wife went the chick route, and now he can't move it. Like there's a certain mileage in Florida. He can't. They live in the same freaking housing development though. They live around the block from each other, which is probably too close, but.
It's not too close for those text messages.
She's actually remarried to some other girl. I need this to get the fuck up here.
This looks like it wants to go up, but it's like, nope.
Yeah, I just entered.
You're long?
Mm-hmm.
It's not a bad spot. It looks so much longer, but like my break even is only 25 points.
I'm gonna break even now.
Yeah, so that one that I just added at 55, right? I got in at 53. I'm probably going to unload that one like right up here at 74. So it'll reduce my cost.
Damn, I should have taken my $100.
Should take me 100. Jesus. Wish I took my money. I'm going to get fucking full blown stopped out here. I'd like to get out of this one so I can just keep flipping fucking contracts. You know, like this one I bought at 54, out at 68, and then I'll just flip that around.
I still feel pretty confident to the upside.
I'm in long.
Oh.
I'm back in long.
Gotta get a close over the purple line. Nope, that looks bad. On the one at least.
Yeah, I don't like that.
I still think it looks fine.
I mean, if you're looking at the 5, you're good at as long as it stays over 29,000.
I'm looking at the sell orders coming in, and they're being absorbed immediately.
Oh, that's cool.
Well, I'm flipping out of this one I bought at 54.
I'm back to break even again.
Just to reduce I made money, but also reduce my exposure on the way down if this goes lower. If we get back around here, I'm probably going to reshuffle what I'm in, but I think TPT is the best one out of all of them, Beretta. But now remember, if you're not getting any payouts ever, then I would just stick to the cheapest fucking accounts that you can get.
Yeah, if you're not getting
What's up, Lee?
payouts, don't go TPT.
Yeah, if you're not getting any payouts, I would just go buy $19 Apex accounts and just learn trading. Like if you've never gotten a payout before. Because the bonus, the stuff that's great about TPT is the payout side. So if you're not getting that, I don't know why this thing didn't trigger in, to be honest with you. Now I gotta fucking pull it up and be like, what? Why did we not fucking go in?
Well, I took my $150 there.
There you go.
That's my target. Got my 2R.
Oh, Reddit. Then you should definitely grab a cheapie first. If you're only demo trading, you should definitely grab a cheapie first.
Go get it. Go get a cheap account. Go use Apex. Go for what you're gonna spend on a one TPT account. Just go get a 5-pack in Apex. 50K trail. Dude, I was almost at break even here.
I'm glad I took my 150.
I might exit.
Wow, it just dumped off that.
Yeah, I might just fucking. I'm exiting. Fucking crazy.
I mean, statistically, we should go all the way down to the bottom, IB.
I mean, you might. If you wanted to, you can short and your stop would be like 79.
I'm not doing anything.
Fucking crazy. I'm curious on why this didn't trigger in. Probably because I don't even know why.
I would probably get the 50Ks.
Yeah.
Beretta.
Yeah, 50K trailing. It's $95 for 5 accounts. And just
You say it's $99 for 5 accounts?
$95 for 5 accounts.
Yo, that's a fucking steal for a newbie.
Not only that, the activation fee is only $59 now.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a fucking steal. 95. Beretta, 95.
Yeah. For 5. Apex, they're running that. Their Apex is running that deal. Are you gonna short this all the way down?
Nah, I don't like shorting.
Really?
I almost shorted it. It didn't quite hit my entry.
Me personally, I am not, but
I think it could go down there at least to 36.
Yeah.
I would be fighting myself. I personally would get back in with a close over 84 to the upside. And my stop would be these lows. Who just fucking texted me?
Reddit, the activation fee on those are, what'd you say, 49? I think. On Apex. Cove.
Oh yeah, 59. Yeah.
59. I don't keep up with Apex. I don't even trade Apex anymore. Apex was the first prop firm I ever got a payout from, though.
Really?
Mm-hmm. That was like 4 years ago.
Man, this thing's fucking.
Back when it was the good old 10 days of trading, but they only had payouts like twice a month.
Dude, what the fuck? Dude, remember 10 days of trading there? That was crazy to pass, or 7 days to pass.
Yeah. And then they only had payouts, what? It was the 20th and the 10th?
I don't
Was
know.
when you, I think it was what it was. It had payout windows. They didn't have like, you couldn't take payouts anytime. Oh, I got mine pretty quick after passing. You just signed the documents.
You blew 3 PA accounts today? Oh, jeez.
Oh,
Oh, Robert.
Oh. Man, this is just awful.
It's going down.
Seems that way until it doesn't. I don't know, man.
At 11:30
Got a
a.m.
lot
Eastern
of
Time, you have
sellers
the
down
US
here.
6-month high yield 3.78%, bid to cover 2.97, US 3-month high yield 3.715%, bid to cover 2.86.
I think you're going to end up going up. I still like the upside.
it's been kind of weird today. I mean, not weird, but just a little weird.
A little weird.
Yeah.
Yeah, the new ones don't rebill you.
That was a wick.
They've been doing that lately. Like all of a sudden, you just get like a.
Stocks of crude oil in the US Strategic Petroleum
Yeah.
Reserve
doesn't
fell
even
by
trade
about
that low.
3.7 million barrels to 289.7 million barrels last week, the lowest since 1982.
Like it's not even trading that low. It just gives you like a flash, and it's like 15 points down, but it's back up already. It just basically shows a wick.
Do you think that's like summer trading bullshit?
It's definitely a thin book that allows that to happen.
ATR is not that high right now either. It's only 14 right now.
That's freaking low. I remember when it was 40.
Yeah.
I remember when Mark Wahlberg was Marky Mark.
At least he evolved. At least he's not still Marky Mark with like some funky hair that he has to lacquer into place and shit like that.
That was from the Eminem song. What song was that though? Back when Mark Wahlberg was Marky Mark. Hell yeah. Drug ballad. Yo, what up, Keyshawn?
So funny. That candle looks so big.
I know.
It's only like 12 points.
Close over 80 though. Looks freaking phenomenal with a stop at the wick.
According to Nikkei, Japan to tap up AI to speed up material development tenfold.
These rare earth metal shits are gonna be a thing soon, I think. I almost want to grab some.
We have posted a Nikkei article on the feed for those interested.
I'm interested. Oh, you don't hear the news guy. Push.
So,
What the
reminder
news
of final
guy
next
say?
time of the US 6-month and 3-month bill auctioned. 6
Something
months
good.
prior
He
high
always
yield
says shit, and he's
3.78%,
like-
prior bid to cover 2.97,
He's always like,
3
oh, we
month
have it
prior high
listed
yield
on the,
3.715%, prior bid to cover 2.86.
He's always like, we have it listed on the, I don't know, on his website or whatever. Um, oh, I don't know, man. I'm loving the upside. Stop at 33. Are you liking up or no? No. I want to see us come down to like 73 though. I want to see it roll a little bit, roll over. What they say? Get oil inventory is lowest ever, and we just popped on that.
So, Iran's mayor news quoting Iran's Mokba that says that Iran's response will be more decisive than ever.
Bro, Iran's not doing shit. Just stop it. Oh my
They
god.
don't have shit to do anything with.
MU is taking a bath today. MU is taking a bath. Dude, this is just freaking awful. Should just fucking held. Just said F it. I always think I get a better entry, and it almost never happens. And then it goes to my TP when I sell. Think we're going through here or what?
Looks like it.
Jeez. Are we not going to get a little pullback?
Maybe we go up to VWAP.
No.
Are you short?
No. No.
Oh.
I'm long. I want to be long. I want to get into this fucking long. I took a scalp here, but
Surely expecting US 3-month and 6-month bill auctions.
Whoa, there it
well,
goes.
there goes my fucking.
Seeing some weakness in the US dollar, a bit of strength in the S&P 500 here. Not seeing any catalyst for the move, but we'll keep looking.
Awesome. I just had to fucking hold. I just
Mexican
had to hold.
President Sheinbaum says she hopes to reach a trade agreement with the US, as President Trump said. The US eyes 7.5% China overcapacity tariffs before Xi-Trump talks. So again, the US says tariff announcement not via the White House is speculation. So again, the US eyes 7.5% China overcapacity tariffs before Xi-Trump talks.
That's freaking crazy. All I had to do was hold.
See some
I think it's
weakness in
going all the way to
WTI
the
crude
top.
here as well. Further strength in the S&P 500, weakness in the US dollar.
Yeah.
I'm going to buy one micro. I'm just going to go all the way to the fucking top.
Rinse at a big hourly FBG right now.
As I just get fucking rinsed out in 2 seconds. Literally, I couldn't even move my stop.
What is this level? This is London low right here.
I'm getting back in. I want to get in close to this purple line is what I want to do. I played this so fucking bad today. I can't even explain how bad I played this today.
You're trying to deny your nature.
Sheinbaum says
bad.
Mexico working to reduce tariffs on steel and
Like
cars.
what position did you play in baseball? A pitcher?
Mm-hmm.
So what's the opposite of that?
No, I don't. Some guy who I don't know. I pitch and play
Catcher.
opposites. Yeah.
He's the pitcher, not the catcher. You had to use that analogy.
I know. As soon as I said it, I knew.
I'm gonna grab and fucking one.
US 3-month high yield, 3.715%, 3.715%, bid to cover, 3.08, 3.08,
I
with the
kind of
US
flipped
selling
my
92
script. I've
billion.
been taking a lot of shorter trades with
Yeah, you have.
tighter stops instead of the big stops.
You don't like big stops anymore?
Yeah, I guess
So ordered
not.
at high at
Maybe I don't.
97.66%. 6-month
Maybe I just like the little
high yield,
stops.
3.79%, 3.79%, bid to cover, 3.05, 3.05.
Good
The
news,
US
everybody.
selling 79 billion. And a warning 59.64% of bids are high.
That's what you can tell that your ex. Like, hey, I flipped my mind.
Yeah.
I don't need the big stops anymore. I do like the little stop.
I like the little stops after all.
I'm warming the car up now. Man.
So what I realized is that if you have small stops, you can get 2-to-1 risk to reward without making the market move too much.
Well, yeah.
Whereas if you have big stops, you have to really
You gotta let it
press
run.
Yeah, you got to let it really run. Which, I mean, intellectually I understood, but I think it finally sunk in what that meant.
Let me see if I can get out of like one right here. Just go to break even, lock in $30, and just let the other batch just go do whatever the fuck it wants. So stupid.
Be right back.
I don't know why I trailed that trade so freaking close.
I don't understand why this other thing didn't trigger in though. Has something to do with the retest functionality because the retest, without the retest functionality, it was in at 910. With the retest functionality, it just didn't fucking get in. I almost want to put this in Claude and be like, yo, why didn't this touch? Why did this not retest? Why didn't this enter today? I'm actually gonna do that right now. Don't sign into trading view, but why didn't this? It's always something, man. Always fucking something that just doesn't work. Like, sure, I could probably I could have manually done it, but bro, I just had to hold. That's so stupid. Sir.
Going all the way to VWAP.
Should have just stuck to my fucking plan of adding on the way down here. Oh, I know why it didn't fucking do it. Tuh. Actually, that even has a better fucking thing. That's crazy. Psst. 29.6. If I go from 20 to 4. Yeah, but fucking the last 90 days, you'd have 15 and 4, and then you got, if you did it this way, you'd have more money. Okay, cool. Stupid. Yo, I figured out what it was. The fact that we didn't retest within a certain number of bars is what the issue is. I just corrected it.
Speaking on Fox Now, Besant says to give final warning to cut economic ties with
Shit would
Iran.
have entered at 45 and out at 109 with 7 contracts. Just another day missed out. Just another day fucking missed out on it. Done for the day, green. Oh, there you go. It sucks that you blew those accounts, but oh,
We are just cruising.
just had to stick to my freaking original plan, dude.
Yeah, I should have gotten in at 36 and just held.
I just shouldn't have just sold out. Should have just held and said, fuck it. I either hit daily loss limit on the accounts or I don't. I'd be up like 60 points on, or I'd be up like 80 points on like 4 fucking contracts. Like I'd be crushing it. I mean, this is probably going up to the top, but I'm not. Obviously, I'm not adding. I'll just fucking eat it.
Oh, this is definitely going to the top.
I might even go further. I mean, honestly, I'll try. I'll go see if it goes past the fucking top, considering I only have 1 contract.
Robert, why wouldn't you activate the 2 PAs you passed?
Yeah, I'd probably activate them. There's also a time limit on how you can activate them. I'm just moving my stop up so I get something out of this. Oh, played it just so fucking bad. I think it's just going to drift all the way up.
Ooh, it's almost food time.
Food time? Yo, 200 points. Wait, where's even on the day? $200 from here is 370.
Even on the entire day?
Well, even like
That's midnight open.
what's midnight open?
270.
Oh, what is
According to Yonhap,
Daily
South Korea Foreign
open
Minister and Rubio held phone
was
talks on Monday.
all the way up at 392.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Like we go up to 380 or something. Let's see if we get there.
Yo, Eric the bot is back.
What up, Eric? Just a complete fucking ball dropping today. I mean, it could be worse because my Mondays have been the last 2 Mondays have been really bad for me, actually.
It'd be funny to get a Tesla bot and name it Eric.
Tesla bot.
We have posted the article from
I was gonna get
Yonhap
one
on the
named
feed
Megan
for those
Fox.
interested.
Yeah.
And he's going to dress it up too.
1000%. Is there any other way?
And according to Yonhap, Cho and Rubio
Dude, this
agreed
shit
to
looks like
close
it's about
communication
to
on
just
North Korea.
freaking pump. I'm actually going to move my stop all the way up here. If we reject here, if we reject, we reject. But I'm okay being down $200 and it counts. That's not like a big deal. I think if it goes over 200 here, it starts gaining momentum to the upside pretty heavy. I'm out. You can, what I watch in private?
What the fuck?
What up, Sneaks? I think I'm done in this fucking account. If it pulls back further, I'm gonna buy to go to the upside. Like we get down into this range, I'm gonna buy to the go up. Man. Are they gonna even give it to us? We may not even get a pullback. I want to pull back down to like 40s. Yeah.
All right, I'm out to get some food.
See you later.
Later.
Later. Dude, my internet just flickered.
Ooh. Do you have storms up there?
No. They're working on 2 houses on my block though, so
Oh.
never know. You never know. Come on, give me a freaking pullback, dude. Like just a little bit. Just 40 points. Oh, this is the worst. I hate doing this where you just like you had it and you just fumbled it so bad.
Yeah.
And I'm up in other accounts, but it's just so bad. I want to see a dip. Dip. Yo, I just saw what you wrote. That man violated a melon. Oh, it's just so funny. But once you see it, now you get his other reels. So as you're scrolling, you'll see.
Oh my God.
That's what happened to me. I was like, yeah, other people are gonna have to see this.
He found something that worked for him. He probably gets tons of
Oh, dude,
views and clicks and shit.
that's what he was doing it for. You know.
People are like, try a peach.
Oh man,
Try a papaya.
a papaya. Dude. Oh man. I don't think this is even going to pull back. Straight up 241 incoming.
Yeah, it didn't mess around once it started going.
I completely just a complete ball dropping. Could have got in heavy at 80 also. I mean, I got in and I just didn't really get in. You only have to do it once. You only have to put in your YouTube name once each day on the form. That just keeps the bots out. The form keeps the bots out. The bots don't go over to the form. Well, I'm going to wait for a pullback and see what I could do here. I'd like to see a pullback somewhere in this area would be prime. But all right, I'm going to get some lunch.
See you later.
All right. See you guys at 2:00. Peace.